Hello guys, in this video we're gonna review the 1000 watt Nicrome coil heater. This costed me 250 rupees only in local market. For connection we need thick wire. Here I am using Anchor 4 mm copper wire. First just loosen up these screws. Now just put in both the wire and tight up the screw properly. You need to tight it very tightly. Now after tightening the screw, just plug it and give it the power. It is drawing around 5.5 amps, that is at 220 volts, so it is drawing around 1200 watts. So if you use it for 1 hour, the electricity bill will consume 1.2 units.